Function it is used for saving curve which is defined by user. It is used for modifying custom curve property, height, distance, like star shape, triangle shape curve. Add custom curve tool in toolbox. Draw line type which need to save and confirm the line type point, must a point. Click or make a square, then right click then click point, you can see following, save as, dialog table. Input file name then click OK. Then go to line type and select custom. Select save design. Now select intelligent pen tool and draw a line.